One of the fondest memories of my childhood is picking up raw mangoes that fell from the trees in our backyard during the Kalbaisakhi jhor. My friends and I would run outside and collect as many raw mangoes as we could. The wind would howl around us, the trees would sway wildly, and the rain would drench us to the bone. But that couldn't stop us from having fun. After collecting as many mangoes as I could, I used to run back home and ask mom to make me Tok Aam Dal, a popular Bengali dish made from boiled lentils and raw mangoes. The tangy and spicy flavor of the dish perfectly complemented the stormy weather outside. As the storm raged on, we would sit inside warm and cozy, enjoying a delicious meal and listening to the sound of rain. As I grew older, I realized the dangers of the Kalbaisakhi jhor. But for me, the storm remains to be a nostalgic memory of my childhood. I still think of the Kalbaisakhi jhor whenever I eat Tok Aam Dal, and it always brings a smile to my face.